What is up, you guys? In this video, we're going to be going over Amazon. We're going to be talking about the short position that I entered into Amazon. We're going to be talking about that 101 to /100 level. We're going to be talking about why I think Amazon could actually pull back down to 97 bucks going into next week, and how you can play Amazon to the best of your ability and some major levels to watch. Hit the like button and subscribe. Check out our Discord community. The link is in the description. You guys will get access to free courses, free live streams, free seminars, free webinars, free trades, as well as a lot more. The link is in the description. We're a community of nearly 10,000 members strong, so definitely check us out if you want to stay up to date with all of my trades and all of my content. So let's take a look at Amazon. Amazon performing very well, basically, over the past couple of days. Since earnings, we are still down pretty significantly, but we have seen a pretty solid run, to be quite honest, in the past couple of days. When we saw CPI data come out, then, in my opinion, was not the best, but was better than I guess some people were expected, showing that we're peaking 16% within 1 day and 9 hours, or 17 30-minute bars. Very, very solid. And if we look at the book map, you can see here, big open. We had this pullback overnight down to 97, bounced off of this huge demand zone, rallied up, had a couple of rejections. We had a new high followed by a new high, and then that big selling, the major selling area, is all the way up at 101. So 101 is where we have about 101,000 shares set to be sold, which is going to act as a pretty solid resistance point going up into that level. So I saw this level moving up, and I contemplated about taking a position, but I never actually ended up filling because I was waiting for the perfect entry, which was at 101, and we only actually got to 101.80, which I will say that, yes, having very specific price targets and being very patient with your entries and exits is good. But one thing I can tell you, as somebody who's been doing this for nearly a decade now, is that those are only price levels. They're not a price point. And so what I've realized is sometimes it's better just to fill a couple of pennies above or below where your support and resistances are. Because you look, if I would have filled a bit early, even if I had a solid stop up at 101.40, I would have made a solid return off of this drop. Now, I do have some short positions, like actual common share short from the past couple of days. I opened them up yesterday that I am still in that position for. But intraday, we're trying to hold this view up, and we'll see if we get another test of 100, 101, or if we drop back down to 98, 97 going into close today. But this 101 to 100 resistance is very strong and very important, and the levels to watch to the downside will be 98, 97, 96, 95, obviously, kind of like rungs in a ladder down to major support, where the biggest one is actually down at 90 bucks, but I don't think we're going to drop that far. Looking at the 30-minute chart, you can see we're pushing up, but we're actually making a bearish diversion. Stochastic RSI is making lower highs, cross to the downside. We're unable to get over that 100 book map level, which that 100 book map level was a solid support prior, which is now we're going to act as a strong resistance. And if we look at the volume profile to the right, pretty thin volume down to about 97 bucks. So in my opinion, it seems to me like we're probably going to end up getting a drop down to about 97.43, which is a 1.5% drop, before potentially either trying to move our way back up and give ourselves a push back up and a test of 100, or a break and a drop back down to 91. So we'll see what ends up happening. I do have a short position in play. I'll keep you guys updated, and I hope you guys have a great weekend. Peace.